Hey everyone, my name is Divyam Rastogi.
And my name is Manan Tomar.
So as you guys know, on this channel we make you travel with us all over the world.
So today we are going to talk about
Top honeymoon destination to visit in USA.
So without wasting any time, here we go. USA also makes place in the best honeymoon destination countries in the world. If you are looking for some romantic fantasy honeymoon, then you are at the right place. Some of the best destinations in USA for honeymooners are
Napa Valley. Napa Valley is situated in north of San Francisco. It is famous for its wine, nature and love. It needs no introduction for honeymooners. Napa Valley have more than 350 wineries and tasting rooms, which makes it famous for world-class wine. It is also known for its spas and luxurious accommodations. Best time to visit this place is August to October or March to May.
Maui. Maui is an island of Hawaii. It is situated in Central Pacific. This place is also known as the Valley Isle. This place is beloved for its world-famous beaches. It is the second largest island of Hawaii. You can explore the beaches, shopping, hiking, national parks and more. It is a perfect vacation to the Hawaii. This place is also known for its best destinations for honeymooners: Haleakala National Park, the Road to Hana, Old Lahaina Luau, No Kauai Adventures, Molokini Crater, Paia Town, and Leoda's Pie Shop are some of the most famous places to visit in Maui Island. Best time to visit this place is April to May or mid of September to November.
Las Vegas. Las Vegas is also known as Sin City. It is one of the most famous city for honeymooners worldwide. This city is known for luxurious casinos. It attracts millions of gambling tourists each year. This place is paradise for shopping, fine dining, entertainment and nightlife lovers. Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, High Rollers, The Strips, Fountain of Bellagio, Mob Museum, Eiffel Tower Viewing Deck, Stratosphere Tower, and Bellagio Conservatory are some of the most famous places you should visit in Las Vegas. Best time to visit this place is March to May or September to November.
Asheville. Asheville is situated in western North Carolina's Blue Ridge Mountains. It is known for its vibrant art scene and historic architecture. This place is also famous for the dome-topped basilicas of St. Lawrence one should visit. This place is one of the most prominent places for honeymooners. This place is home of major American novelist Thomas Wolfe. Whitmore, the North Carolina's Arboretum, New Belgium Brewing Company, Craggy Gardens, Basilica of St. Lawrence, and the Folk of Art Center are some of the most famous places in Asheville. Best time to visit this heavenly place is mid-March to May and September to mid-November.
Gatlinburg. Gatlinburg is situated in eastern Tennessee. Is also known as a gateway to the Smoky Mountains National Park. This place is known for its beautiful scenery, great shopping, and as well as its colorful history. Sugarlands Distilling Company, Ole Smoky, Great Smoky Mountains National Park, Ripley's Aquarium of Smokies, Tennant's Homemade Wines, Gatlinburg Skylift Park, Ole Smoky Whiskey Barrel House, and Doc Collier Moonshine Distillery are some of the most famous places to visit in Gatlinburg. The best time to visit this place is between September and October.
New York City. New York City is situated where the Hudson River meets the Atlantic Ocean. It is a very densely populated city, which is one of the world's major commercial, financial, and cultural centers. Some of the famous names include skyscrapers such as the Empire State Building and sprawling Central Park are good tourist attractions. It is one of the most welcoming city for honeymooners. Statue of Liberty, Central Park, Rockefeller Center, Metropolitan Museum of Art, Broadway and the Theatre District, Empire State Building, 9/11 Memorial and Museum, and the High Line are some of the most famous places to visit in New York City. Best time to visit this place is April to June or October to November.
Park City. Park City is a city in Summit Country, Utah, United States. This place is famous for golfing, horseback riding, fly fishing, mountain biking, hiking, and rafting. Cross-country skiing, helicopter skiing, and snowballing are also some of the most famous activities you must try once. Deer Valley Resort, Park City Mountain, Main Street, Park City Museum, Kimball Art Center, and Park City Alpine Slide are some of the most famous places to visit in Park City. Best time to visit this place is December to March.
Miami. Miami is the cultural, economic, and financial center of the Florida in the United States. This is one of the most prominent places for honeymooners. This place is famous for vacation destinations with beaches, great weather, history, culture, sports, and entertainment. Miami is known as the capital of Latin America. Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, Bayside Marketplace, Miami Sea Aquarium, Jungle Island, Bayfront Park, and Paris Art Museum, Miami are some of the most visited and famous places in Miami, Florida. Best time to visit this Latin capital is March to May.
New Orleans. New Orleans, situated at Louisiana city of Mississippi River. This place is known for its round-the-clock nightlife. This place is famous for its distinct music, Creole cuisine, unique dialect, and its celebration and festival. The historic heart of the city is also for its vibrant nightlife along Bourbon City, Jackson Square, St. Louis Cathedral, Shop of the Colonnade French Market, the National World War Museum, Audubon Aquarium of America are some of the most visited places in New Orleans. Best time to visit this place is February to May as the weather is pleasantly cool.
San Francisco. San Francisco is also known as the City, SF, Frisco, and San Fran. It is the cultural, commercial, and financial center of North California, USA. San Francisco famous for its restaurants and food trends. It is one of the most famous destinations for honeymooners. Golden Gate Bridge and cable cars are really some famous stuffs of San Fran. Alcatraz Islands, Golden Gate Park, Union Square, Pier 39, and Lombard Street are some of the famous places to visit in San Francisco, North California of USA. Best time to visit this place is September to mid-December. That's for today, guys. Next time we come with a new dream destination. And guys, don't forget to visit our official website. Link in the description.
We hope you like this video, so don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel,
Type Location.